Dark spots and hyperpigmentation is one of the top skincare concerns a lot of people struggle with, and a lot of people do not actually see results because of two things. Either they're using the wrong product or they don't even know the right products to use. But in today's video, we're going to be changing all of that because I'll be sharing 5 serums that have been tested, trusted, and these serums would effectively fade your dark spots without you breaking the bank or wasting your time. So if this sounds like what you're interested in, which I know you are, then keep watching this video. Hey loves, welcome back to the channel. The number 1 serum that I have for you guys today is this Goodal vitamin C serum. We're starting strong with a vitamin C serum because I know a lot of people's favorite ingredient is actually vitamin C. So this Goodal vitamin C serum contains a vitamin C, but a different kind of vitamin C. It actually contains green tangerine extract, which has been shown to be much more stable, much more potent, and contains way more vitamin C than your regular vitamin C. And you know, with vitamin C, stability is very, very important because vitamin C serums are quick to oxidize. And when a vitamin C actually oxidizes, it becomes useless because at that point it has lost its efficiency, its potency. So you're basically just rubbing a liquid on your skin that is actually doing nothing. So if you're wondering, what does vitamin C actually do for my skin? I'm gonna tell you girlies. So vitamin C actually helps to brighten your skin, even out your skin tone, you know, brighten those dark spots that you have on your skin, helps and protect you from free radicals that sun emits. So vitamin C serum actually does a lot for your skin. So this serum also contains niacinamide and arbutin. I'm sure you guys have also heard about niacinamide as well. It's also a very, very good brightening ingredient that is gentle on the skin. It helps to brighten your skin. Arbutin on its own, great, fantastic ingredient to also brighten your skin. So you're getting like dose of different brightening ingredients all in one serum. So what does that tell you? That this serum is actually effective. It is potent. It's gonna work for you. This serum has a gel-like texture and it has like a fresh citrus smell, and you can use it either in the morning or at night. Great if you use it in the morning because of the vitamin C, but ensure that you're backing it up with your sunscreen. And you can also use it at night. It will still work for you. Next up, we have the Beauty of Joseon Glow Dip Serum. This is one of the TikTok girlies' favorite Korean serum. The rave, the love, the hype about this serum is so nice. And I'm going to tell you why the TikTok girlies actually love the serum. So the key ingredient that this serum contains is rice and alpha arbutin. And if this is your first time hearing about alpha arbutin, I'm going to tell you why it is a fantastic ingredient. So alpha arbutin is actually a gentler version of hydroquinone. The hydroquinone that everybody knows and everybody dreads. Hydroquinone is like the gold standard for fading hyperpigmentation or dark spots. It's the gold standard. See, there is nothing or no dark spots that hydroquinone cannot do. But it's just that people are not really advised to use hydroquinone because some people can actually abuse it. And when you abuse it, it is dangerous. There are like a lot of do's and don'ts on how to use hydroquinone. So that's why a lot of dermatologists, companies, they move away from it and they reach out for like the safer version. Result that hydroquinone can give you in 2 days or 1 week. Alpha arbutin will give you that same result, but it's going to take a lot longer time because it is much more gentler. This serum also contains niacinamide, which we already touched base on earlier. Niacinamide will help to brighten your skin and even your skin tone. This serum also contains rice bran extract and rice extract, which are super hydrating, moisturizing, and also has like brightening effect as well. It's a great serum that does not just contain one brightening ingredient. It has like multiple, and it will also hydrate your skin. It will give you that glow. Most of the reviews that I've seen from this serum, the glow that comes with it when you're using it consistently is so beautiful. It will fade those dark spots for you. It will give you that radiant, healthy, bouncy, hydrated looking skin that you will fall in love. You can actually use it morning or night, but make sure you're backing it up with sunscreen. If you're enjoying this video and you want to see more recommendations like this, then please hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Next up, we have this Tosowoong, Arbutin, and Tranexamic acid serum. This is one product TikTok influenced me to buy, and I don't regret my purchase because of how fantastic this product is. This contains Arbutin, 7% Arbutin and 4% Tranexamic acid, which are both in like a very, very good sweet spot. I'm going to tell you how these two ingredients work so you know how amazing this serum is. So Arbutin works by blocking the production of melanin, while Tranexamic acid on the other hand blocks melanin from producing, like it blocks that signal that tells your skin to produce melanin. So both of them are actually working from different angles, and when you combine them together, it's a great strategy, like having two different angles to tackle those your dark spots. It's a powerful strategy because it will effectively fade those dark spots for you. So I'm going to show you the consistency of the serum. It has like a creamy consistency. It's not so thick. It's not so thick in a way that it's heavy on your skin. So, and it blends really, really well into the skin. So it's creamy, but it feels lightweight, and it has this cooling feel on the skin. Another thing that I notice about this serum is when you apply it to your skin, it gives your skin that glow. Even when I apply it and leave it on my skin before I go in with my moisturizer, there's this glow that it gives to your skin. So yeah, this is it on my skin right now. It doesn't contain any fragrance. This is one product that when I exhaust it, I've told myself that I'm still going to purchase it because it pairs well with other products that I have in my routine, and I have not even seen any reaction of any sort since I have been using it. So next up, we have this serum from Banish. This is their dark spots corrector with vitamin C and E. A lot of people actually do not know about it, and actually I got this serum from a PR, and after I tried it, I fell in love. And when I actually read about the brand, I fell much more in love because I love the story behind the brand. The owner of the company, the lady, actually was struggling with acne scars, dark spot, and all of that sort, and she didn't find any product that actually worked for her skin, so she took it upon herself to go into the kitchen and cook something fantastic to help with her acne scars. So she was like, if nobody's gonna make it for me, then I'm gonna do it. And she did just that because this is a fantastic product and I enjoyed using every bit of it. It contains licorice root, it contains vitamin C and also vitamin E. Licorice root is another brightening ingredient that is really great in helping to fade your dark spots and hyperpigmentation. It also helps with skin texture. So now to the texture. It has like an oily based texture, but it sinks really well into your skin. So this is what my skin looks like right now. You can actually use these either morning or night with the vitamin C in it. It will pair beautifully with your sunscreen and also help to protect you from free radicals, but ensure that you pair it with your sunscreen. Last on the list, we have the Urban RX Glow Serum. I actually saved this for the last because this serum was actually formulated specifically for melanin skin. And you know our skin is actually different, and you know that hyperpigmentation and dark spot on our skin acts differently compared to other skin tones. Treating hyperpigmentation on dark skin is much more difficult. You need effective product. You need potent product to be able to fade it. So when you find brands that have taken their time to actually create a product specifically for melanin, I appreciate them because that shows that they understand how the melanin skin works. And one brand that actually gets it when it comes to melanin skin is Urban RX. This serum is packed with brightening ingredients. It has kojic acid, which fades dark spots by inhibiting melanin production. It has licorice root, which we just spoke about. It has niacinamide. It has vitamin C. It has alpha arbutin. How many brightening ingredients have I mentioned? 5. Kojic acid, niacinamide, alpha arbutin, vitamin C, and also licorice root, which are all really, really good. If you're familiar with fading dark spots, you will know that all of these ingredients that I have mentioned, they are like key ingredients you should actually be looking out for when you're picking up your dark spot serum. So you can use this one at night. I would actually recommend you use it at night because of all of the brightening ingredients that it contains. and also make sure to follow up with sunscreen during the day. The reviews I have seen about this serum, fantastic. It's not popular, so you will not see a lot of people raving about it, but it works. If you're wondering if you should use all of the serums I have mentioned, no. These are just like 5 different variations that you can actually pick from. You can pick one or you can pick 2 out of it. I would also advise or recommend that if you want to pick like 2 out of it, it's recommended that you use your vitamin C serums during the day so that it can protect you from free radicals, and also top it up with your sunscreen. Product that contains like a lot of brightening ingredients, is best to use them at night, so you're limiting your time in the sun, because when you're using all of these brightening ingredients and you're out in the sun, your skin is much more prone and susceptible to sunburn. I also want you guys to be realistic with timing. Even though these products work, you have to be realistic with yourself, right? You are not going to see results in 2 days. They are not miracle products. They are not like magic. They don't work like magic. You have to give the product time to work, and you have to ensure that you're using them the right way, because I've seen some people using really good product. Number one, either they've lost patience, they use the product for 1 week and they'll be like, oh, this product is doing nothing for my skin. I've also seen sometimes where people will use product and they're not using them the right way and they still complain that the product is not working. So you have to be sure you are using this product the right way, you're consistent and you're patient. Some products takes 4 weeks, 3 weeks, even 2 weeks you start seeing results, while some products will take as long as 2 months, 1 month, 3 months before you start seeing results. All of them work differently. You have to be patient with yourself if you really want to have that healthy skin. If you haven't seen my other videos about dark spots, I'm going to leave a link down below so you can go and watch them, because you definitely enjoy them. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share this video with your friends and family, share it with all of those skincare girlies out there so they can come in here, watch the video, and also see options for them to fade their dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I have a lot of other videos that I'm sure you're definitely going to enjoy, like this one on here. So I will see you guys in this video. Don't worry.